Okay, Mercedes mb140D, mb100, and ssangyoung motor corp, ssangyoung istana. I'll show you the radiator support. This is on here, and this is the rubber, the old one. Now I've been thinking there's no way you'll be making one of these easily yourself, so we now have brand new ones. They go on here like so, and then this goes back on. I should put it in. This needs to go on top. I'll show you now. We have brand new rubbers, isolators, radiator. We also have slave clutch cylinders, and now I will be getting these. Currently we don't have these in stock, the master cylinder, but we will be getting them from ssangyoung Motor Corp in Korea. This van mb140 and the 100. Here. It's got the Mercedes star, but it is actually the ssangyoung istana. Okay. Thank you.